can bring spreadsheets into BricsCAD drawings as tables, and in this video I'm going to show you two different ways of doing this. One method of bringing spreadsheets into BricsCAD drawings is to use the table command, and it has a new function called From Data. Now the catch is that it only recognizes two formats, CSV and XML. CSV is commonly used for exchanging spreadsheet data between different programs. What this means is you have to save your spreadsheet in CSV format. I'll show you that now. Here I have a spreadsheet, bill of material. To save this as a CSV file, I go into File, Save As, and then from this dialog box I go through, find CSV. And I'll also check off Edit Filter Settings so I can adjust how it's saved. And here's the different options. The field limiter is very important. It's a comma, and that's what separates the different fields of the spreadsheet and tells BricsCAD which numbers and words to put into which cell. I'm not going to save cell formulas, just as regular content, and I'm going to click then OK. So that file is saved. Now I'll switch back to BricsCAD, restart the table command, choose From Data. It looks like there's more options, but File is the only one. Delimiter I've chosen as the comma to match the output from the spreadsheet, and I'll click on this Browse button to open up the spreadsheet, and there it is, open. Okay, now unfortunately there's no preview, so we don't know what it's going to look like until after we hit the OK button. Click OK, and I'm going to paste it up here, and there's the spreadsheet. So you can see here there's the various text and numbers. Header is the name of the file, and then comes the actual header from the spreadsheet. Now, if you want to change the looks of it through styles, that's easy enough to do. Use the table style command, and here we go. I'm going to change the header. Let's make it a subtle green color. Okay. And when I close the Drawing Explorer, the header row is now that green color, and you can make other changes as well. The drawback of the method I showed you, using the table command to import a spreadsheet, is that formulas are not carried through. So for example, this cell has a formula. In fact, all these cells here in this column have formulas. So I'm going to show you a second method that brings in the formulas. Unfortunately, it only works with Microsoft Excel, but that's okay because you can get a Microsoft Excel viewer from Microsoft for free to open up the spreadsheet. So that's what I've done here, same spreadsheet, and there's the formulas. And this method involves copy and paste special. So first I'm going to select the cells, click copy, and then I'm going to switch over to BricsCAD. And don't use the paste command, use the paste special command. In amongst these, you'll see several options now. It turns out that for some reason this one doesn't work, but the XML spreadsheet format works just fine. So I've selected that, click OK, find a place to pop it, and there's the spreadsheet with the formulas that are highlighted in gray. Spreadsheet's a bit cramped, so I'll select it, drag it out a bit. There. The drawback here is that it doesn't recognize styles. I'm going to choose these and change it to header. And now when I press escape, the style has been applied.